There are numerous benefits to spending time online. You can watch videos, play games, check social media, or do whatever you want. With that said, I'm going to reveal a little secret to you. What I'm about to tell you in this video is so uncommon that only a select few people are aware of it. It's being kept a well-guarded secret because it's a brand new, cutting-edge way to make more money online. And guess what? It's truly so promising that as you progress through it, you'll be able to earn more and more money. You have no limitation in terms of what you can do, and it's even better because you can utilize this method anywhere in the world for free. Make sure to watch the entire movie and follow each step since you may miss critical information, and you will need every detail in this video if you want to be financially successful. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Let's return to the video now. I'm not one to waste time or beat around the bush, so without further ado, let's go right into today's video's main website, superpay.me. Please proceed to the payment proof section, which is located in the upper right corner of the page. You'll be taken to this page after clicking that, where you can see hundreds of living proof that this website is authentic. You have no reason to be concerned because everything is so transparent. In real time, you can see payments made to users all over the world, including the recipient's name, date, payment type, and total amount paid. You can never doubt the integrity or credibility of our website with this knowledge. So what are you waiting for? I'm sure you want to learn how to use this strategy and become one of these fortunate individuals right now. These people have made a lot of money with superpay.me by doing something extremely simple. Return to the main homepage to learn about all of the fantastic benefits and advantages of joining Superpay right immediately. You can learn how you can make money online right now with Superpay by taking free paid surveys. As you can see, they offer 7 wonderful benefits that are completely free. Everything is very convenient because they offer a quick payout, with money arriving in as little as 24 hours. They feature a low cash threshold, which means you can withdraw money rapidly because you don't need a significant sum on hand. Finally, you have the option of working from home, which is growing more popular these days. Finally, they feature a plethora of amazing promo codes and cash contests that all benefit you. They offer you fascinating opportunities such as earning money by completing surveys and other tasks. I'm sure you'll enjoy this one since when you sign up for Superpay, they instantly give you a 30-cent joint incentive. You may think that 30 cents aren't much, but you're overlooking the fact that you can have it for free and without doing anything. Who doesn't like free money, right? Finally, there is a generous referral scheme as the 7th benefit. Let's set aside that referral program for now because we'll go over it in greater detail later. There's no turning back now that you've seen what Superpay has to offer. This platform is exactly what you've been looking for, and you can't afford to overlook it. Stay tuned for more as we continue to explore the website. With almost $4 million in payment transferred to its subscribers, Superpay's miracle can be summed up in one word: convenience. Member can choose which payment method is most convenient for them. You have the options of receiving your funds via PayPal, Tango, Amazon, Skrill, and a variety of other options offered in this page. If you still find this odd, consider the fact that this website has over 3,000 Trustpilot reviews. 3,000 Trustpilot reviews is a lot, and that already says volumes. Most websites only acquire a few hundred reviews, but you can't earn 3 times that with Superpay. How do you proceed with Superpay now? Step 1 is to sign up for free today and complete your registration in under 2 minutes. Step 2, take part in surveys and exclusive offers. Completing surveys can make you money. And the greatest part is that there are hundreds of new surveys available every day. You may also earn more money by watching movies and completing paid offers, which is fantastic. Step 3 is to simply be paid. Using PayPal, Skrill, and other ways, over 90% of payments are made within 8 hours. You can also claim your profits in the form of Tango cards, which you can use at your favorite businesses like Amazon, Starbucks, Nike, Macy's, and many more. To begin the registration process, simply click on the green Join Free Today button and you will be taken to this page where you can fill out the application form. To give you an idea, the registration process is relatively straightforward. Begin by entering your first and last name, email address, username, and password in the appropriate sections. And after that, fill in all of the pertinent information about your residence, city, state, or province, zip code, and country. After that, fill in all of your payment and conditions information, including your PayPal email address if you wish to use PayPal. But first, a tip. I strongly advise you to use PayPal because it is extremely user-friendly and money can be withdrawn quickly. After you've done that, click the box right here to indicate that you've read, understood, and agreed to the site usage policy. Then, at the bottom, select the first and last boxes to indicate that you read and agree to SuperPay's privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then fill out the CAPTCHA and click the Create Account button. Now that you're inside SuperPay, feel free to browse the entire site and visit all of the sections because everything is a way for you to make a lot of money. Right now, you can look through the categories of paid surveys, offer walls, referrals, competitions, and rewards. Check them out because they're all money makers for you. Paid surveys have a name that already tells you what you'll be doing. Completing some surveys will all be straightforward and easy to complete. There are many of other offers you may do to dramatically improve your profit outside of the offer walls, such as viewing films, playing games, visiting websites, and so on. The sky is the limit when it comes to SuperPay. But there is one point to which I would like you to pay special attention. If you recall, I promised we'd go over the referral scheme on the website in great detail. And here we are. Now, click on this section for referrals and you'll be taken to this page where you can learn more about the referral program and how you can earn a 25% commission. It is indeed a generous scheme and all you have to do is get your unique referral link, which is displayed right here, and then share it with as many people as you feel like inviting. Whether they are friends, family, co-workers, or even strangers on the internet. But what do I mean by internet strangers? I want you to go to a website called Herculist.com, which you may reach out to a growing number of people to expand the scope of this opportunity and, as a result, make a lot more money. You can tell right away that this website is dedicated to offering daily free advertising to thousands of consumers. Herculist is a reputable platform that uses email and web marketing to produce 100% actual visitors. They also offer free, sophisticated tools for building a network and increasing traffic, so as to join tens of thousands of like-minded entrepreneurs and opportunity seekers from around the world. With that said, create a free account and complete all of the tasks assigned to you. All you have to do now is share the link with Herculist and they will take care of the rest. Money will flood into your account in a flash. That concludes the discussion. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.